Welcome to the first episode in my new vlog. Today, we will be looking back to a winter storm on the shore of Lake Superior that I filmed back in late 2018.
So before we get out into the bulk of the wind and the storm, I'm about to come around the north side of the point here. But before we get out there, I just thought I'd give you a quick update as to what's going on. So I stopped at the break wall and got some really nice shots looking out toward the lighthouse. The waves weren't quite big enough for that wave going over the lighthouse, but they were still pretty big. Still got some nice shots. So now I've come over here to I parked down there on the kind of the east side of the peninsula and walked out, about to round up onto the north side, and as you can tell, it's quite stormy today, quite windy. I guess it's probably going in the mid-20s, steady, and gusts are probably higher than that. I don't know, I'll go look exactly when I get home, but anyway, yeah, I'm about to walk out to Black Rocks, probably, I don't know, we'll see, it depends on the weather, but may not do a whole lot of shooting on the GoPro here. Because of the weather out there, I'm pretty much going to focus on my one camera and keep my fingers warm. So, yeah, alright, let's go see what we got.
As you watch this and future episodes, keep in mind that I am always thinking about keeping myself, my equipment, and those around me safe. Lake Superior can be dangerous even on a calm day. On many of these GoPro shots, I am at least 20 feet behind the camera, only going to check on it during the natural pauses in the waves, making sure that I am again at a safe distance when the big waves roll back in. Watching nature's power in a storm like this is one of my favorite things to do, but I always do it as safely as possible.
Here we go. Look at that one.
And lastly, to the photos that I took that day. Oh, and one more thing. Hit the like button and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future episodes. Enjoy!